Really nice, really simple. The more you learn, the more you find it's like Lego.
Hello and welcome to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you Chinese with ease. My name is ShaoLan, and I'm going to teach you a useful phrase of Chinese every day. In this episode, we are going to learn how to describe it's raining. We have Josh from Transition. Hi, Josh.
Hi, ShaoLan. 你好.
你好. Is it raining there where you are?
Not right now, actually. No, the weather is quite good.
It's raining outside right now, so let me tell you how to say it in Chinese.
Okay.
下雨.
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 下雨 means it's raining. 下 it's down.
下.
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 That's right. 雨.
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 雨 means rain. So 下雨 means down rain.
下雨.
下雨 that means it's raining. Okay, so down the rain, it's raining now.
So it's like the rain is falling, coming down on us.
That's right, the rain is falling. And 下 is the fourth tone. That means to go down is a very useful word. For example, when you say 下车 to down the car, that means you get off the car. 下机 down the plane, you get off the plane. 下山 down the mountains, then you get down the mountains.
So that's really useful then, because 下 means down, and also the tone of 下 is the fourth tone, which is going down.
That's right.
So it's an easy way to remember the tone.
It's very easy to remember to say 下. 下 means down, and its fourth tone goes down. So 下雨 is it's raining. But let's talk about 雨. It's rain. It's a 雨.
雨.
雨 is third tone.
雨.
To say big rain shower, we say 大雨.
大雨.
大雨, 大 means big. Big rain, that means rain shower.
大雨.
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 大雨. Make sure when you say 雨, you go down first, then up again.
Okay.
大雨.
The third tone is sometimes the trickiest, I find, trying to get that down and up.
It is, yeah, because you don't have something similar in English.
Yeah. 大雨.
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 To say small rain, you say 小雨.
小雨.
小雨. 小 means small. 雨 is the rain, so small rain. 小雨.
小雨.
That's right.
Oh, that's actually, again, that's really nice. It's really simple. So instead of learning words like downpour or torrential rain or drizzle, you just learn the word rain and you have big and small, and there you are.
That's right. And to describe it's raining cats and dogs, you say 下大雨.
下大雨.
下大雨. Down, big, rain. 下大雨.
下大雨.
It's raining cats and dogs. I love English. How can cats and dogs coming down? Have you seen the movie, The Secret Life of the Pets?
No, I haven't.
Oh, that's an awesome movie.
Okay.
And we love that because they're cats and dogs. And then imagine they all come down from the air, from the sky. That means it's raining heavily. 下大雨. 下大雨. Okay, let me give you a test. How to say it's raining, a very light rain coming down.
下小雨.
下小雨. 下 is down. 小 is small. 雨 is the rain. So 下小雨.
下小雨.
It's raining slightly. So when it rains, sometimes it comes with the wind. And when you have wind and the rain together, we say that it's a storm in English. So to say that in Chinese, we say 风雨.
风雨.
风雨. 风 is the wind.
Okay, 风.
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 Is the first tone. 风.
风.
雨.
雨.
风雨 is the storm. So a test for you, how to say big storm.
大风雨.
大风雨 is a big storm. We don't normally use small storm because when it's storm, it's a storm. So it's really nothing like small storm. So I never heard 小风雨. Okay, so 大风雨 means big storm. 风雨 is the storm. How to say big wind?
大风
大风 big wind. 小风 it's small wind. But I rarely hear people say small wind. But now you know, you just mix and match different characters in Chinese. Then more or less you get it right. And more or less people get your meaning.
That's great.
Yeah, people won't judge you.
It's another area of Chinese where the more you learn, the more you find it's like Lego.
It is. Chinese is like Lego. And when you pick up one word and two and then three, you come out with many different choices and many different meanings, and you can use them in different contexts. And sometimes when you swap the sequence, they mean the same thing.
Yeah.
Sometimes, be careful, when you swap the sequence, it doesn't mean the same thing. For example, when you say 大火, big fire, it is literally big fire. But when you say 火大, fire big, that means someone's angry.
Very angry.
Very angry. So make sure you know when to swap and when not to swap and use it correctly.
Yeah. Yeah, it's great.
Thank you very much, Josh, and thank you for listening to Talk Chineasy, where we teach you one useful phrase of Chinese every day. We hope you enjoyed this episode. We learned how to describe it's raining and it's very windy. It's a big storm. Please don't forget to rate us, review us, and share what you have learned. Until next time, 再见.
再见.